Together, the world experienced the greatest upheaval in the history of modern travel, a true black swan for our industry. The world came to a standstill, and we had time to rethink travel. Because we never stopped thinking about travel. Now it's time for the travel industry to come together to rebuild travel. These are exceptional times, and our innate human desire to move, to interact with our world near and far will never be lost. Together, we're working to make travel more touchless and personalized than before, to meet traveler expectations and demands as you plan your next trip. A global effort will be required. For the travel industry to rebuild, we will need widespread collaboration around the world between governments, travel companies, entrepreneurs, and public authorities. We're driving that collaboration through our safe travel ecosystem, as well as the technology to enable this. Data-led artificial intelligence, IoT, biometrics, and touchless technology can support the industry to deliver on traveler needs with operational speed and commercial readiness. At Amadeus, we've rolled up our sleeves and are hard at work rebuilding travel. Travel will be back. It will be different. It will be more sustainable. And it will be better. Travel has always changed during our shared history, but the urge to explore, to experience the new, to step into someone else's shoes to see how they live is deeply ingrained in all of us. It's etched on our souls as it was for our ancestors across millennia. We invite you on this journey to rebuild travel together.